In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Honda Accord. Located right behind your rear wheel, which you do not have to remove for this job. Let's get started. On the nut side of the sway bar link, you're going to put a 14mm wrench. This is what you're going to use to turn it. And to hold the stud from spinning, you can use a 5mm Allen socket. Make sure it's well seated in there. There we go. And break this free. Remove the mounting nut, remove the sway bar link. Now let's work on the top. 14mm wrench and 5mm Allen to hold the stud. Clamp these on right here. Because nothing else is working for me, I'm going to cut this boot so I can hold the stud directly as opposed to through the boot. There's a little bit of a sleeve there that you can hold on, but I tried and it's not working for me. So getting the boot out is going to give me much better access, and the sway bar link is bad and has to go anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And now I can get some bigger locking pliers in here and really clamp onto this stud. Take that nut off, remove the locking pliers, and remove the sway bar link. Put this bracket back on if it fell off, put the sway bar link through, and the mounting nut on top. Use that same 5mm Allen to turn the stud or hold the stud, and 17mm wrench on the nut. Okay, it's bottomed out. Just going to snug it up. Perfect. 28 foot-pounds is the torque for these mounting nuts. That's it right there. And do the same on the bottom. And put the mounting nut on. 17mm socket and 5mm Allen. All right, this one's snug. A little extra. And 28 foot-pounds. Perfect. Do the same on the other side. Always replace sway bar links in pairs.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.